Buddha Shield 2014 is a bilateral military exercise by the United States Army Pacific and Indonesian Armed Forces. For nearly a week, the Indonesian Army, Tentara Nasional Indonesia, also known as the TNI, and soldiers from the 2nd Battalion, 1st Infantry Regiment from the 2nd Striker Brigade have bonded together and have shared everything from applying jungle-style camouflage to making combat maneuver sand tables.
We had asked if we could help them set the sand table up, and they said that they had wanted to show us the traditional way that they do it. So as the partnership grew, they had invited us to make a hasty sand table also.
Both infantry battalions agree that this is an experience and friendship that will never be forgotten.